I shat my plants. I was in LKG, bro. I was like 3 years old, man. I remember.
I've shat in school.
You have?
तू 3 साल का था bro. I think I shat myself in what 5th standard or 6th standard. That's even more embarrassing. I was running for my life to the toilet, and I think toilet 50 meters दूर था. But then midway I was like कि भगवान के ऊपर है.
Oh shit, legit. Oh shit.
What's up, internet? Welcome back to another episode of the Analyst Show. I'm Varun and I've got two huge red flags with me.
Hello,
here.
everyone.
Red flag number 1.
Hello.
Red flag number 2. Aryan,
Thank
tell
you.
me, why are you a red flag to everyone here and everyone
Accidentally
watching?
मैं को क्यों सिंगल आउट किया स्टार्टिंग में ही?
मैं तेरे को ही सिंगल आउट करता हूँ हमेशा बिकॉज तू सबसे
Aryan-
छोटा है तो मैं सिंगल आउट करने वाला
Aryan's
हूँ.
got that boy face going on.
या वो थोड़ा ऐसा चिकनी चमेली वाइब है इसका.
चिकनी चमेली.
बाय द वे वो बीप करना पड़ेगा. साहिल, तू रेड फ्लैग क्यों है?
I don't know if I'm a red flag. I'm more of a crimson flag.
क्रिम्सन फ्लैग ना.
No, I can tell him why he's a red flag. He's always late for shoots. Always.
I'm also late for shoots.
No, but he lives here.
Oh, हाँ, वो तो बाजू में रहता है.
He lives
इधर ही है.
here.
By the way, तू ऑरेंज फ्लैग है टेक्निकली, रेड फ्लैग
Oh
नहीं है.
yeah.
I am a
I'm
red
Naruto
flag.
flag.
I am a red flag because from what I think, even though I have a podcast, मुझे बोलना नहीं पसंद.
या एक्चुअली जब भी हम बाहर
हाँ.
जाते हैं सोशलाइज करने को, पार्टी वार्टी करते हैं, ये सबसे शांत बैठता है.
Correct.
पर जब कैमरा के सामने आता है
हाँ.
सबसे ज्यादा
सबसे
बड़बड़ ये ही करेगा.
Yes.
And actually, if it's an anime event, then Aryan सबसे ज्यादा networking भी तभी करेगा.
हाँ,
हाँ.
मतलब
But if it's a social event for having
हाँ,
fun,
वो
ना
time
तो
pass के
Aryan
लिए
एकदम
तो
शांत
उसकी
रहता है.
फटती है. पर when he is in his media अवतार,
हाँ.
पॉडकास्ट
Analyst.
अवतार, एनालिस्ट अवतार, वो तो पूरा ऐसा एकदम भगवान
Yeah.
बन जाता है एकदम ऐसा.
अरे
सोशल
अपन भी
बटरफ्लाई
भगवान है भाई.
तुम लोगों ने ये क्या डाला है और तुम दोनों ऐसे लग रहे हो कि कॉलेज जाने वाले हो.
I am acting
Frat
my
boys.
age. I am acting my age. He's trying to act my age.
इसको मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस हो गई है.
Quarter life crisis.
क्वार्टर लाइफ क्राइसिस.
Yes.
हाँ.
बट
We're like varsity red flags.
डू यू थिंक आर्यन इज मोर मैच्योर देन यू?
Fuck no.
I feel in some aspect I am.
एक्सपेक्ट.
Expect.
अच्छा, थोड़े एस्पेक्ट्स में है.
You can expect that he is not.
मेरे को कभी कभी लगता है कि आर्यन है थोड़ा सा मैच्योर टाइप्स का, इवन दो दिखता है बहुत
Sweet
भोला भाला
innocent
types
स्वामी
का.
types का.
Legit movie का dialogue मारा है.
यस. स्पीकिंग ऑफ रेड फ्लैग्स, मैंने रेड फ्लैग बोला क्योंकि ये एपिसोड के लिए हम एक पॉडकास्ट नहीं करने वाले. वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ गेम, गाइस.
Yeah, first
Yay!
game.
First game.
Game
Season one
time.
Game.
Yes.
That game is called Red Flag, Green Flag. Aryan, do you want to tell the audience Red Flag, Green Flag?
So
क्या रहता है
basically,
exactly?
we are going to just say एक quote देने वाले about a particular person. It can be
Character trait.
Character trait.
It can be she's a 10 but she eats a lot of food. So we'll say that that's a red flag or green flag.
What
Either
an example. Fuck, इसके लिए आर्यन इतना टॉक्सिक है.
it can either be on sitcoms, anime. I don't know. वरुण ने वो लिखा है
हाँ,
question.
मेरे पास थोड़ी questions है. तो for context हम बोलने वाले कि she. We're
हाँ.
going to use she, right?
Yeah.
As a reference. It
You
can
guys
be
can
he,
also play.
they, whatever
Them.
you want it to be.
हाँ.
But for reference and for the sake of the game हम she करने वाले हैं.
Correct.
हम लोग ठीक है.
मराठी
ठीक करणार होता पण. Let's go.
मराठी folks जे बघताय त्यांना कळेल. Maybe
All the
you know,
English and Hindi viewers be like, हाँ हाँ
like,
ठीक है.
हाँ,
मराठी
cool,
viewers be
मराठी.
like, what the fuck did he
What?
just say?
अगर आप ये सिर्फ ऑडियो सुन रहे हो तो आपको फट जाएगी. अरे डूड वीडियो लगाओ, ये क्या कर रहे हैं? Shit challenge.
Come on. The first
First
red
question.
flag, green flag. So we also have
Okay,
red
हाँ.
flag, green flags on
Let's get our
our
flags ready.
Flags, digital
We
flags
have
ready करो
green
क्योंकि हम
flag,
digital
we have
platform
red
पे हैं.
flag. Yes.
एक मिनट, मेरा flag load नहीं हो रहा है.
Just like Aryan's brain.
See, again, he's a red flag because he's never ready.
Red.
Aryan is ever ready, but that is
Okay.
Yes.
This is
Always.
my red flag. This is my green flag.
Yes. चलो.
And I
ये
am
मेरा
the greenest
बड़ा
of
वाला
all
green है.
flags.
Varun has
बड़ा
a
वाला
very
green.
big green
I've got
flag.
big ones, dude.
I know. He has a
You
very
got
big
big
red flag
ones.
as well.
First question. Okay.
Let's go.
You guys ready?
Yep.
100%.
She thinks How I Met Your Mother is the best sitcom ever.
Greenest of all green flags. I approve.
Green flag.
ग्रीन फ्लैग एज वेल, क्योंकि वो भी
Actually,
मेरा वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट शोज है.
I'll
Yeah.
go for red.
अरे तू चेंज क्यों कर रहा है?
I'll
पहले
go for
ग्रीन
red.
बोला.
I'll go for because
Aryan is a
obviously
Friends
I'm-
fan.
No,
मैं भी
I
Friends
always
fan
give hot takes.
Because you are not
feel-
hot.
Friends is better than How I Met Your Mother. Friends has reached to a ज़्यादा audience. Friends के ज़्यादा fans
wait,
हैं.
क्या Friends is better than How I Met Your Mother कि How I Met Your Mother is better than
How I
Friends?
Met Your Mother is better than
तूने-
Friends.
एक मिनट तूने एक
No wait, Friends is better than How I Met Your Mother. Yes.
decide.
Friends is better than How I Met Your Mother.
Okay.
Because Friends के लिए ज़्यादा audience के लिए. How I Met Your Mother.
तू
after-
मैट्रिक्स वाइज जा रहा है.
हाँ मतलब देखा जाए तो see Friends is still relevant, the jokes still land now like even if you watch it right now, but How I Met Your Mother has a different vibe. Okay, I like How I Met Your Mother more
It's
than
for
Friends.
mature audience, yeah.
पर technically guys,
fuck off.
How I Met Your Mother was inspired by Friends only.
Yeah, it was.
Who said that?
Yeah.
क्योंकि
Who said
Friends
मेरे को fact check करके दिया भी क्या अभी.
no because
The
it makes
styling,
sense.
हाँ.
Same group of friends instead of hanging out at a coffee shop वो बार पे जा
बार
रहे
में,
हैं.
हाँ.
And Friends I think ended 2004 में और How I Met Your Mother 2005 की 6 में
Start हुआ
फर्स्ट
था.
सीजन
Yeah.
शुरू हुआ था.
Oh.
So while Friends was still going on वो डेवलपमेंट चालू रहेगा for
Yup.
the show. So I'm
Oh.
assuming as an old भी उन्होंने किया रहेगा, but it's a green flag, yes.
बट वो जो ग्रुप के जो डायनामिक्स और जो कैरेक्टर
Hmm.
ट्रेट्स भी है वो काफी फ्रेंड्स से
Friends
इंस्पायर्ड
like
भी
हाँ.
हाँ इंस्पायर्ड
But
बट स्टिल
if-
आई फील दैट हाउ आई मेट योर मदर इज बेटर देन
It's just because you like Barney.
No, it's not about what is better or what is not. If she likes How I Met Your Mother, is she a green flag?
हाँ.
Because
Fine,
personally,
okay,
I think
fine.
I will prefer Friends over How I Met Your Mother क्योंकि यह बहुत
Green
सालों से
flag.
मैंने देखा.
Fine.
Green flag. ठीक है.
Green
Move
flag.
on to
Green.
the next
Green.
question.
Hmm.
She lives like a Japanese shut-in otaku.
Okay.
शी लिव्स लाइक अ जापानीज शट इन ओटाकू
आप जा रहे हो पहले कि मैं जाऊँ?
Green.
रेड
Red.
Green.
क्योंकि तू भी shut-in है.
हाँ.
हाँ एंड आर्यन वाज लाइक
Shut
at
in
least
weeb.
she's not out there cheating on me
हाँ. I plus.
Are you serious? मैं जोक की तरह मार रहा हूँ
I mean, again, like
You
I would
insecure
prefer-
bitch.
See, I don't like talking. I don't like going out.
अच्छा आर्यन आर्यन is going for the long game
हाँ.
Long game.
हाँ so she doesn't like going out so she won't force me to go out
Exactly. We can
Hmm.
watch.
तो तुम दोनों घर पे बैठ के सड़ते रहोगे.
अपेरेंटली आर्यन को वो सड़ना नहीं
सड़ना
फील
बहुत
होता
पसंद है.
नहीं उसको वो सड़ना वो फील नहीं होता उसको
हाँ.
वो उसके लिए वो अच्छा है
हाँ. Geo Cinema and chill, bro.
तो क्या कर सकते हैं पता है?
All
वो
night,
घर
every
पे ना
day.
वो फेक ग्रास रहता है ना, फेक ग्रास रख दे घर पे एंड टच ग्रास घर पे.
that sounds
I'll have a girlfriend. Why should I touch grass?
I was just gonna say that but I did not say it
फैमिली फ्रेंडली शो.
Yes, and we are doing red flags, green
रेड
flags.
फ्लैग ग्रीन फ्लैग. बट
Why is this a red flag for you?
I want someone who's a bit more social and is not.
Why?
क्योंकि मैं सोशल नहीं हूँ इतना.
मैं डायरेक्टली जोन आउट करता हूँ.
एक मिनट okay in my case
Hmm.
I like going out meeting my friends and if
Yeah.
and I would like having my partner
Yeah.
along with me
Why?
yeah, true.
Why go out with friends?
So मेरे
Call
लिए
the friends at home and do a podcast that can go on Geo Cinema.
हमने अब तक 9 एपिसोड शूट किए हैं ये 9th एपिसोड है और इसमें हमारा एक भी दोस्त आया नहीं है
हमारे दोस्त ही नहीं आई थिंक.
हमारे
now,
दोस्त ही नहीं
Like all of our guests are now our friends. Like
Yeah.
Oh,
last
yeah.
episode with Jason
Jason Page, he's our
Page,
homie
Sanket
now, man.
Matre
Yeah,
sir,
he's our
the
homie.
VTuber. Yeah.
there are homies
पर मेरे लिए रेड फ्लैग है क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा इंट्रोवर्टेड हूँ. I would say ambivert बोल सकता हूँ maybe. if that
You're a pervert,
applies.
nothing else.
Pervert. Introverted
Parvat.
pervert, yes. पर I would like my partner to take me out basically, like force me to just like चल घर से निकल, क्योंकि I like staying at home also, like
Are you a
Aryan.
sub?
I
That
can be
is
both.
such a
I can be both.
okay guys stop
For you,
flirting
For you I can be both.
Hey, balloon.
family friendly show guys
Okay, moving on to the next one.
Smoothly.
They think that they can survive in a zombie apocalypse.
They think that they can survive
Green.
in a zombie
because
apocalypse.
मेरा भी इतना ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस है that even I think it हाँ even I can survive a zombie apocalypse and I need that go getter attitude
एक सेकेंड. मैगी कैसे बनाते?
इसको कुछ नहीं आता.
ठीक है. एक मैगी के पुड़े में कितना पानी रहता है?
एक कितना पाउडर रहता है? What?
एक मैगी के पैकेट में कितना पानी जाता है?
See, this is why I need somebody who thinks that they can
Yeah.
survive the zombie apocalypse.
तेरे को लगता है मैगी मिलने
you
वाला है
just said that you
apocalypse
can
में?
survive a
I
zombie
can survive
apocalypse.
as long as my partners survive.
So you won't be able to survive a zombie
You won't be-
apocalypse. Yeah.
Trust me, dude. He can't. He's a 30-year-old. He can't do anything.
या मेरे को ये हम खाना खाने वाले थे और खाना सिर्फ गरम करने वाला था. बेसिकली आस्क्ड इन मराठी की तुला जेवण करता येतं का?
जेवण गरम करता येतं का?
जेवण गरम करता येतं. It's like
नाही कसं करतात
गॅस चालू करायचा ब्रो. कवर
किती
करायचं.
काय कसं करायचं
ठीक है ना? I need a microwave, okay? मुझे माइक्रोवेव चाहिए.
ओके
Microwave
अगर ओके फाइन माइक्रोवेव चाहिए अगर तेको
Okay, next question.
बिरयानी तेको अगर गरम करना है माइक्रोवेव में ओके
हाँ.
कितने टाइम के लिए करेगा
5 साल.
ऐसे मैं
2000 years later साहिल
1 मिनट का टाइमर
20 years later.
मैं से 1 मिनट का टाइमर लगाऊंगा फिर उसके बाद चेक करूंगा कि अच्छा गर्म है लूकवार्म है क्या है.
You finger it.
Yeah. Even you figure it or you finger it? What?
finger
अरे,
What?
family
finger it.
friendly show
एक मिनट again.
guys.
Are you saying figure or finger?
Up to you. वो ऐसा वो कौन सा वो ट्रेंड था वो ब्लू ड्रेस है कि गोल्ड ड्रेस
हाँ yeah.
फेसबुक पे कुछ तो था. आई थिंक यू वर
हाँ.
टू यंग मे बी. तू बच्चा था तब
हाँ.
जब हुआ था.
Oldies
It's like
like
up to
you
you.
might know.
Yeah.
फिगर है फिंगर है कैन
Okay,
डिसाइड मैन.
side
Laurie
a
and
small
Rhiannon.
tangent. What will you do if you're stuck in a zombie apocalypse? Where will you go? You first.
सुपरमार्केट.
Private island.
Supermarket.
Private
Supermarket
island.
on a private island.
Oh. Yes.
Okay, supermarket is very convenient because usually if I'll just go to Dorabji's, bro. They have TVs, they have drinks, they have food, they have everything.
You know अगर हमने ये zombie apocalypse का discussion शुरू किया ना
हाँ,
हाँ.
वो
पूरा podcast यही
podcast
बन
इस
रहा
पे
है
ही हो
क्योंकि
जाएगा.
actually हमने off camera भी बहुत
हाँ.
discuss किया है ये.
I remember हमने
All-
फिर ये tangent से अलग tangents पे गए थे.
For almost 45 minutes to an hour
Yeah.
One
बात
of
कर
the
रहे थे इसके
tangent
बारे में.
was when he said that he'll go to a island. How will you reach that island?
चल के
तैर के. State swimmer,
पानी पे चल
bitches.
भी सकते हैं bro. You can walk on water.
नहीं, if I can walk on water, then I'm not claiming to be Jesus,
Yes.
but if the water is at a walkable height, then won't the zombies walk as well? That defeats the entire purpose of
Don't you
going to
think
the
वो पानी
island.
के अंदर जो fish रह गए वो भी zombies हो गए?
नहीं, because जितने भी सारे
Anime
zombies-
recommendation. Watch Zom 100.
Zom 100 नहीं देखा मैंने but
Oh हाँ, उसमें एक zombie shark भी है.
Shark, correct.
Oh yeah.
See, you can't drive till there
हाँ.
to a private island because firstly you are in Pune.
Hmm.
And to get to a private island, you'll need to know how to drive a fucking boat.
Hmm.
Which knowing you, never mind.
नहीं,
देखो
I-
माइक्रोवेव नहीं चलाने आता तू बोट के चला
नहीं,
रहा है.
एक मिनट, I can drive. So बोट कितना ही डिफिकल्ट होगा.
perhaps और फ्यूल नहीं मिला तो क्या करेगा? चार्ज भी कहाँ करेगा if it's a fucking EV boat?
Once you get, what will you do if you get stuck on that island?
Aryan, stop. He
हाँ,
said
आगे.
green flag.
हाँ,
You need
टॉपिक
to
वापस
answer.
ये हो रहा है.
Okay,
please.
wait.
हाँ, my green flag reason is I need
She
somebody to
thinks that
survive.
she can survive a zombie apocalypse. I feel it's a red. Because I doubt anyone can. And
Hmm.
the only person who might, that will be me.
Might be able to survive or not?
I will be able to survive.
That is this. I'm going to give you a this.
Red flag. Because
You die in.
who is that far up their ass to think that they can survive a zombie apocalypse?
He just said that he would survive a zombie. You are your own contradiction.
Because I'm going to be a shut-in. I'm not going to get outside the house.
I think तू survive करेगा क्योंकि तू सुपरमार्केट को कब्जा कर लेगा उधर ही
Exactly.
रहेगा. तू किधर जाएगा नहीं, you'll be happy.
Exactly.
तू
मैं
ना
इधर से डायरेक्टली कौन सी तो भी गाड़ी के विंडो के ऊपर
तू सब एनिमेज भी डाउनलोड करके रख हार्ड ड्राइव में.
एक मिनट
Easy.
आर्यन सेड देखो ड्राइविंग आता भी है.
ऑटोमेटिक रहेगा ना कौन सा तो भी.
Okay, so मेरे लिए it's a green flag क्योंकि
Hmm.
I would like to think कि she has the confidence to survive a zombie
हाँ, yeah.
apocalypse. Yeah, I
That go-getter
I like a
attitude
nice,
is-
confident
हाँ.
woman. I know she won't survive it, but
Oh, at least you tried.
At least she tried.
No,
The
I
effort
want
was
to
there.
be with a woman who doesn't have any confidence.
that again red flag.
I think ये start में ही बोला ना कि मैं red flag हूँ. I think
हाँ.
he's a red flag only. We'll find out more red flags about him soon and tell
हाँ.
you. Report करेंगे हम.
This is our expose of our own characters.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Next question.
Guys,
is,
I am not a big red flag. This is just so that ये वीडियो के लिए मैं इतना टॉक्सिक बन रहा हूँ. मैं उतना नहीं.
Yeah, right.
yeah, ये actually बहुत ही sweet है, bro.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I feel like licking him.
ऐसा
तुम दोनों
एपिसोड
का आज डिनर किसने खिलाया?
ऐसे
तूने खिलाया सिर्फ बनाया तो
वार्ड
नहीं.
लोगों ने परोसा किसने?
तूने पर
You know episode
बहुत
के
sweet
start
देखो
में वो
रोज जब भी तू
disclaimer
आता
आता
है
है.
देखो कौन पूछता है कि देखो कितने
Hey,
चपातियाँ
shut
चाहिए.
up.
साहिल
ग्रेट.
हाँ? याद भी नहीं है.
तू कौन से tangent पे जा रहा
तू
था?
pretend
हाँ मैं
कर
ये
सकता
कह
है.
रहा था कि एपिसोड के स्टार्टिंग में वो जो डिस्क्लेमर आता है ना कि एनी व्यूज एक्सप्रेस्ड विद इन द एपिसोड आर नॉट आवर ओन पर्सनल ओपिनियन. हाँ,
हम मजे के लिए है इधर
हाँ.
बस
हाँ.
भाई.
वी आर जस्ट शोमैन
यस.
हाँ.
who like to show.
अगला point is
हाँ.
हाँ.
she can't hold conversations except anime. सिर्फ एनिमे के बारे में वो बात करी. मैं जाऊँ पहले कि आपको जाना है.
I'll
Maringa
go
क्या है?
green flag.
रेड.
रेड मैं बहुत बोर हो चुका हूँ.
हाँ
मैं- I'll be
मतलब
very bored.
what's your reasoning Aryan?
There are a lot of animes and a lot of things, so there will be things to talk about except anime as well in that regards. For example, अभी हम जैसे बात कर रहे थे Zom 100, Zombie Apocalypse, some fun conversation.
I know, but it is all fantasy.
Naruto about
Nothing is
working
real
hard.
technically.
हाँ, but
I would like to talk
Loophole.
about
हाँ,
देश में क्या
actually.
चालू है,
See,
देश में क्या
I am-
चालू है,
I am-
दुनिया में क्या चालू है
हाँ.
वो भी. F1.
So
हाँ.
exactly, this is how the flow goes. Zom 100 दिखेगे, Zombie Apocalypse, इसके बारे में दुनिया में क्या चालू है.
So, with anime.
But then again, this character trait is the only conversation that she can hold is about anime, right?
ब्रो तू भी बहुत बोर हो जाएगा आफ्टर अ पॉइंट.
हाँ.
तूने 10,000 एनिमेस देखे, हम सबको पता है.
But I know,
तू भी
like
बोर हो
whenever
जाएगा.
I meet my friends, I get so fucking bored because all I want to talk about is anime or social media or YouTube. But these are things that I'm very limited to. I can converse. मैं दूसरे भी बात कर सकता हूँ, but वो हमेशा ऐसे लगता है कि I can be myself when I'm talking about things that I know.
So these are the things you're confident with.
100%.
That is anime.
100%.
In my case नहीं. हाँ, I like talking about anime but not all the time.
all the time.
First talk in the mic.
वो ऐसा हो जाता है कि वो पूरी आपकी पर्सनालिटी बन
Yeah.
जाती है कि सिर्फ एनिमे देखो, एनिमे
Exactly.
देखो, थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाता है वो. आई गेट वेरी अनॉयड बाय दैट.
मतलब कितनी बार दाते बायो करते रहूंगा.
And the one who says that to buy too much is you.
हाँ, but वही
And
Manga
ironically,
कितनी
you
बार
are
ही
on an anime podcast.
एंड आई नो मैं एक एनिमे पॉडकास्ट पे हूँ तो मैं सीधा बोल दूंगा कि अगर आपका पूरा पर्सनालिटी एनिमे बेस्ड है, मैं बहुत बोर होने वाला हूँ आफ्टर अ पॉइंट. आई वांट टू नो मोर. टीच मी न्यू थिंग्स एज वेल.
Varun is treating this episode like his dating profile. He's directly talking to the camera कि अगर आपको मुझे और जानना
आई
है.
एम ट्राइंग टू गेट क्लोज टू द ऑडियंस मैन. आई एम ट्राइंग टू लुक
Yeah,
डायरेक्टली
quite close to the audience.
हमारा ऑडियंस पूरा मेल होने वाला है. तो
I am single women, girls.
women girls.
Women girls.
Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Cats.
Can we move on to the next?
Yes. Next question.
आई थिंक ये बहुत ज़्यादा आई फील लाइक ये अगला वाला क्वेश्चन बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल होने वाला है.
Okay.
एंड इट माइट go a bit too long.
Let's go. I am ready.
Let's go.
Are you guys ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Ready? She thinks cats are better than dogs.
Wait. Oh, green.
Oh! First 3 green
Yeah.
flags.
Oh fuck!
First 3
Seriously?
green
Yeah.
flags. Hell yeah.
Nice. Like for us, isn't it obvious? Like the cats,
The cats
littered
all
all
over.
around our studio.
Exactly.
I love cats.
I
Yeah.
love
I love
cats.
dogs as well.
Yeah, me
पर
too.
मेरे को बिल्लियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Dude.
जंगली रही तो और बेटर.
आर्यन को अभी समझा.
The cats are anytime better, yeah, because dogs are very messy, very.
उनको बहुत attention
Cats
चाहिए.
You know-
take care of themselves.
Yeah, but do you guys know कि there's this theory where people say that anime characters are drawn with cat characteristics.
Yeah, yeah,
yes.
yeah.
So if you like anime,
probably
you
like
technically are more inclined to like
To-
cats.
Hmm.
Yeah, the shape of the face, ears,
हाँ.
balls, सब.
Yeah.
पर I love cats man. मेरे को कुत्ते भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. पर
हाँ,
bro,
yeah.
cats are next level of cuteness for me.
हाँ.
और मेरे को ज़्यादा पसंद है क्योंकि I can connect to them. क्योंकि वो इतने ज़्यादा social भी नहीं. They will only go to people that they are
हाँ.
comfortable with, which I am
Yeah.
as well. So मैं ऐसा बहुत connect होता है. It's like जब a cat comes to me ना और
हाँ.
affection देती है.
दिल हो गया मेरा.
I am the chosen one.
Yeah. I am
the chosen one.
see, I guess out of everyone I know, and even you guys will agree to this, कि मैं सबसे ज़्यादा cat lover हूँ. Like
तेरे को this guy has a cat
I'm
allergy.
allergic. Even though I'm allergic.
इसको इतने हाँ तो टेक्निकली तेरे को सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है फिर
हाँ.
cats.
Yeah.
एलर्जी भी है,
ओवरडोज हो गया
Overdose,
हाँ।
I do nick ऐसे ऐसे करते बैठता हूँ मैं. Oh shit, I did this on Geo Cinema.
but yes, I think we got our first 3 green flags.
Yes,
Next-
unanimous green flag.
Yeah. So next one is she or they want to identify as a cat.
आर्यन ने क्या किया?
Of course green flag बोला उसने.
हाँ,
क्यों?
Why? Why?
बता
I-
please.
Like 2 words. No, 3 words. 3.
Nico,
no, 3
Nico,
words
Ni.
नहीं words नहीं
तेरे को
sorry.
3 words पता है?
3 things.
3 words. Nico, Nico, Ni.
No.
4 words पता है मेरे को.
Count.
Cat ears,
Are hot.
tail, paws. Every day, every night. Yes,
It's getting
that's
weird
the
now.
dream.
It's getting weird now.
No, that's the dream.
Imagine
That's what-
you find your sitting in the corner
Shitting.
or peeing in the
She,
corner.
Amber Heard.
litter box में जाके वो सुसु
हाँ,
करेगी.
हाँ.
नहीं, like identify as a cat like.
That is identifying like a cat.
नहीं पूरा ऐसे like intense थोड़ी ना bro.
See, identification could be कि सिर्फ mentally identify कर रही है.
हाँ, not
और
like
पूरा
चाले में
physical
हाँ,
transformation,
नहीं, हाँ,
पूरा
नहीं,
costume
not
डाला
that.
है cat का.
I'm fine with that too. I don't want the cat वाले चाले to the
हाँ,
extreme. I don't want her to go poop everywhere. I don't want her to pee in my on my lap.
Maybe you would like it. You've not tried it out yet.
Shut the.
What are you guys talking about?
You never know, man, Aryan. A whole new world.
Yeah, are
awaits
you
for
Wait,
talking
is
about
this-
your own? Are you trying to tell your dark fantasies over here?
Hey, no. I rebuke. मैं rebuke कर रहा हूँ.
No,
ये
but
सब.
still, dude, like you have to agree. हर एक anime fan का एक dream है to dress their girlfriend in cat ears, cat paws.
हाँ,
cat
obviously.
Tail. हाँ, see,
But
see that easy. That's why it's a green flag.
but
Sure.
identifying that's
My,
like
हाँ, वो cosplaying as a cat is different
हाँ,
than
cosplaying
identifying
like a cat
वो
is
नहीं
different.
तो
Yeah.
like
I tell
you-
people I identify as a cat.
you would be okay going out in public and your girl is on her fucking phone
Paws,
Nah,
हाँ.
nah,
and like
nah.
Exactly.
Conventions maybe.
ugh,
Conventions.
वो और creepy हो जाएगा bro.
No, like people do that.
हाँ, मतलब
That's
I've
why I don't
seen
go to
people
conventions.
do
I've seen
extreme
people-
shit at Comic Cons,
Comic
but
Con is a time for people to do whatever
to
crazy
bring their
thing that
inner
they
freak
want.
out.
हाँ.
In a freak, all the
So-
dudes out there with each other.
And plus again अगर किसकी वो fantasy है, I won't say it's a I won't say that personality itself is a red flag. I'll say for you guys also it's a green flag because it's not suiting you guys. I have to be PR correct.
PC.
Okay, a lot of cats, dogs, बहुत सारे बातचीत हो गए उनके बारे में. अभी move on पूरे दूसरे tangent में जाने वाले.
जी.
Thinks the Marvel Cinematic Universe is overrated.
Marvel is
Currently
overrated.
or overall?
overall.
Overall. Currently तो I know सबके answers क्या रहने वाले हैं.
हाँ, मतलब मेरा फिर अगर वैसा ओवरऑल रहा तो मतलब ऐसा
हाँ,
स्प्लिट बिटवीन
yes,
रेड एंड
correct.
ग्रीन.
For me it's a red flag.
Overall?
Overall.
हाँ, बिकॉज सी करंटली द MCU इज मैं खुद फॉलो नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I don't even remember the last MCU
No,
movie I saw.
I follow it. But even though during its peak and even though वो बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे कमाए हैं लोगों ने, I still felt कि जो darkness Marvel जा सकता है वो उन लोगों ने अब तक एक्सप्लोर किया नहीं.
वो it's still वो same ही कर रहा है.
हाँ.
And by
हाँ.
the way, out of these two, out of us three, I am the biggest Marvel
No.
fan here.
No. No.
You are the biggest Marvel fan?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking about myself here.
No.
Probably.
I have read so many comics.
Or
you have no
MCU
idea.
fan, I would say.
Okay, tell me.
हाँ.
I'll
MCU
just
fan.
ask you this. Okay, MCU. Who made the MCU?
John Favreau.
And who is the writer of all of these incredible Spider-Man, Iron Man people?
Stanley.
Stanley is the main writer. He's
Okay,
the creator.
did you know Stanley also he also has an anime?
हाँ.
We're talking about MCU, by the way, not Marvel
No,
in general.
I'm
I haven't
telling you,
made.
you're a big fan, so you should
Oh,
know
by the way,
this, right?
Marvel के Avengers के भी anime है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So
Batman
you did-
anime भी है.
X-Men के anime भी है series.
तुम लोगों ने वोट किया क्या? रेड फ्लैग था, ग्रीन फ्लैग
हाँ,
था?
overall के लिए मेरा 50-50 है. Currently, if she's saying that the Marvel Cinematic Universe is
Yes.
overrated, then I would say हाँ,
Yes.
she's a green flag.
I'll say it's a red flag.
Oh no, sorry. हाँ मतलब if she says it's overrated, then yes, I'll
Currently
give it a green
overrated,
flag. Currently,
yeah.
क्योंकि बहुत oversaturated
हाँ,
हुआ है,
so-
boring
Okay,
हो
wait,
गया है,
so
मैं भी
wait.
नहीं देखता
Too-
हूँ
too
movies.
much PC things going on in Marvel.
Green flag मतलब it is overrated. And if I say red, that means it's highly rated. Okay, so yeah, I meant to say green flag.
वो edit में ना वो
हाँ, वो
meme है ना,
maths
वो
का
ऐसा
sign
वो
है।
डालता है,
ठीक है।
ठीक है, we have voted. Next one is she goes on the beach always with her socks on.
I guess that gave us our answer.
Who wears socks? कौन पहनता है पर? That's the
बहुत
question.
बहुत सारे लोग पहनते हैं, मैंने देखा है.
Why?
Dude, I can't stand wet socks. मुझे ऐसा
Exactly.
लगता है.
पर हम like why don't you want to feel the sand on your feet? Dude?
हाँ.
ऐसे, अच्छा लगता है
But
bro,
why?
comforting
What's the
है.
logic behind wearing a sock?
Maybe उनको like bro मेरे को पैर गंदा नहीं करना है, whatever.
हाँ,
वो भी हो सकता है.
I can see
There
the
is
I
an
can see the
ocean in
logic
front of
behind
you.
it.
पानी में टुपुक डालो, बाद में फिर से चप्पल पहन लो.
नहीं, but then अगर वापस चप्पल पहनने जाओगे तो फिर भी
और
पैर
गंदा
के
हो जाएगा
नीचे
bro.
तो यही
चिपक
रहेगा
जाएगा ना सब वो sand.
sand.
Bro,
So,
I don't
yeah.
get the logic. Socks? Nah,
No,
bro.
my quirky thing is even if I'm going on the beach, if I'm dipping my legs in the water, I am wearing my Crocs or my
Yeah.
Crocs के साथ तो dip करता है पानी में.
हाँ,
क्यों?
because yeah, I don't like getting my feet dirty.
तो socks तो ऐसा लग I feel like this guy wears socks and he's trying to hide the fact that he doesn't wear socks.
अरे shame.
Shame करो, ये बंदा Crocs डालता है बीच पे.
Why wear Crocs?
Okay, Crocs
पानी.
नहीं, Yeezys. Okay, that does that sound
Fake Yeezys
better?
डालता है.
Fake Yeezys वो भी.
Misho से Yeezy.
Okay. ठीक है, बीच का हो गया अभी. Next one. Choose food with an open mouth.
Yeah.
Choose very loudly.
नहीं. I mean, I like to see what that mouth do, but
Yeah.
not chew.
You like it? It's a green flag.
Wait, what? तूने green क्यों? Aryan, why are you
Green.
so
And
fucking
why are you
weird?
so going so NSFW? What the fuck is wrong
Okay,
with
you
you?
first. Explain why.
हाँ, तो तेरे को
why
पसंद.
the
You're
fuck
okay with
green?
it?
I don't mind. I don't like it, but I don't mind it either.
मैं बहुत trigger हो जाता हूँ.
I
हाँ,
don't mind.
like मुझे डर लगता है कि like they might just start speaking and food will like fly out of their mouths. Ugh.
No, it's like वो जो आवाज रहता है ना loud chewing का, it is the same as वो जब teacher
So you
blackboard
can't date a
पे
Japanese
Ah,
girl, bro.
blackboard पे
So you
chalk
can't ever
scratch
date a
करती थी.
Japanese girl.
Wait,
Fun
what?
fact. Whenever they slurp ramen, they are supposed to make this sound.
Slurping sound is
Slurping
fine,
is still
but they
fine, huh?
still chew with their open.
That's by that doing that gives like वो chef को it's
Yeah, I
kind
know.
of
They're like,
हाँ.
wow,
नहीं,
you're
नहीं,
enjoying my food.
हाँ,
हाँ.
chef को वो जो तू बोल रहा है ना, that is for only slurping when
वो
you're having that
chew
ramen.
तो close mouth
हाँ, you can
करते
still
होगे ना.
chew while your mouth closed.
हाँ, like yeah.
हाँ.
बड़ा slurp करेंगे फिर उसके बाद. Okay.
ये मत कुछ साय.
Yeah. So green flag तेरे लिए, हमारे
हाँ.
लिए तो red flag है. मैं बहुत trigger
Yeah.
होता हूँ जब
And
वो.
plus, I can just wear
It's-
earphones while eating.
What if you don't have earphones?
एक मिनट, did you?
I'll go
एक-
to
एक
another
मिनट,
room.
इसमें लॉजिक क्या है? Like you're on a date with a girl और तू earphones पहन रहा
I'll
है.
be in the house. I'm a shut-in.
तो work from sorry.
अच्छा, you got a girl at
Zoom
home.
date करेगा ये.
Yeah.
A Zoom date.
Zoom date for Aryan only.
I can just mute her.
हाँ, hey honey, can you mute yourself? I don't want to hear you
ये anime का scene बहुत अच्छा है.
Guys, do you remember classroom में जब teacher चिढ़ती थी?
और blackboard पे.
Blackboard पे chalk लेके.
नहीं कभी क्या नहीं. I was at the chalk का receiving end. वो मारने की ना टीचर.
बहुत बार मारा होगा ना, makes sense.
हमारे क्लास में तो टीचर लोग डस्टर फेंकते थे.
What?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
dusters मेरे पे भी बहुत लगे.
What?
Yeah.
पूरा स्नाइपर शॉट भाई.
हाँ ना.
पूरा डस्टर फेंकते थे
Hot.
सर पे. तू नए जनरेशन से है where people
हाँ.
were a bit more
Softies.
Snowflakes.
No. I hate my school. Don't get me wrong. I hate it. मेरे को भी बहुत बार मारा है.
अगर
I'm
duster फेंक
that
के
one
मारा है.
person who
तो
will
जरूरत
never-
थी.
I am that one person जो कभी स्कूल को मिस नहीं करेगा. जिंदगी में कभी नहीं.
I miss school.
अगर मेरे को कभी मेरे स्कूल में बुलाया भी ना एज अ ऑनररी गेस्ट, मैं डायरेक्टली बोलूँगा भागो. मैं
dishonorable
टीचर्स
guest.
की सुनो मत. It doesn't matter. Listen to yourself. Trust yourself. Trust your gut. You'll make it happen. That's it, bro.
इसने speech भी ready किया.
हाँ, I have a. I'm not kidding. I have
Mr.
a
Martin
speech.
Luther King.
I have a speech.
I have a
I
dream.
will
I
listen to
have
your
a
teachers.
speech.
I have a
Children-
dream. I have a speech.
Young audience, don't listen to your teachers. They are just going to make.
Cheaters.
They are cheaters.
I am staying
Don't
away
listen
from this
to them.
conversation.
You guys are
I do
doing
not
your
endorse
best.
this.
Do not endorse
If
this.
you guys are doing your best, trust me, you guys are going to be successful. And after a certain age, तुम्हें दुनिया hit करने ही वाली है. So take a chill pill. Enjoy your childhood.
Papa
Don't
Aryan.
trust me. मेरे वो टाइम पे I still love कि वो टाइम पे Dragon Level Crisis was homework करना है.
Ah, good old days, man.
Do you
Biggest problem
realize
was
he's
homework.
trying to show that he's so mature, but also he used the threat as dragon level crisis.
Dragon level threat.
You do know in big countries that's what they do, right?
Yeah.
Whenever there is a crisis, they denote it at tiger level, dragon level,
That's an anime.
and that's also in real life. Dumbass.
We'll have to fact check that.
Yeah.
I will.
Natural disasters ko I don't think dragon.
Yeah, I
dragon
don't think the
level.
American government is calling up fucking
Like there is
NSA.
also
Yeah.
code
Hey,
black,
dragon
code
आ गया
red,
भाई.
code red भी है, code black भी है, ऐसे है.
That is sure. That I
Yeah,
get.
that is.
हाँ,
sure. But they also
but
have
like-
You know what is code brown?
school में टट्टी.
टट्टी. छोटे भाई. Did you ever have to मतलब वो ऐसे बहुत सारे memes देखे? तू एक
I
बड़ा
shot
भाई
my
है.
plans.
इसलिए मेरे छोटे भाई ने पैंट में टट्टी कर दी अभी.
I
मेरे
did
को
once. I did
देखने.
it once. I did it once in school. I was in LKG, bro. I was like 3 years old, man. I remember. It was,
You
I
remember
remember
that?
very well.
Next
You remember that?
No, he doesn't.
Next topic. Ugh.
At least I'm not saying something which is NFSW.
I've shat in school.
And if it's,
I haven't
shat my pants
I've
in
shat
school.
You have?
But तू 3 साल का था bro. I think I shat myself in what 5th standard or 6th standard. That's even
Oh.
more embarrassing.
Yeah.
I was running for my life to the toilet. And I think toilet 50 meters दूर था. But then midway I was like कि भगवान के ऊपर है.
oh shit, legit. Oh shit. Yuck.
I halfway realized कि I'm not going to make it to the toilet.
you can see the goal post.
I was like, I'm imagining myself in slow motion. कुछ तो emotional music is playing in the background.
Did you like thinking like Mario is a उड़ी मार के एक drop करेगा?
I was hoping, but halfway I was like, भाई छोड़ दिया मैंने, हक दिया मैंने अभी.
Literally.
छोड़ दे इधर ही बैठ के continue करता हूँ.
Next character.
Then I had to
Talking about shit. Do you guys? What's the best place to chill in the whole house? What do you guys think?
Bathroom.
Aryan is gonna say toilet.
Bro,
बहुत
I
मजा
love
आता है.
it. I love it.
मेरा मॉर्निंग रिचुअल है वो.
Yeah.
सुबह उठ के टट्टी करना,
Okay,
रील्स देखना.
very bad tangent. What you guys have to give up one thing, either food or tutting. What will you?
टटिंग. I love
हाँ,
food.
yeah.
bro.
I'll give up food because
Same,
one of
हैं?
all my best ideas
Bro,
come
टट्टी
by
आएगी
tutting.
कहाँ से?
हाँ ना तू खाएगा पिएगा नहीं करेगा क्या?
वो point.
Air. You will poop air.
Yes.
Yes.
That's called a fucking fart.
Guys, we were talking about chewing food in an open mouth. हम हगने के बारे में क्यों बात कर रहे
नहीं यार. कहाँ से किधर यार?
हैं? ये थोड़ा occupational hazard है एक. जब आप podcast shoot करते हो तो हमारे बहुत सारे tangents हो जाते हैं. But let's go to the last one.
Yes.
Very last
Okay,
one.
last.
Food related है.
Hmm.
Claims that pineapple belongs on pizza.
Oh.
क्या?
I love pineapple and pizza. Guys, trust me. Go home, or else if you guys are at home or out or anywhere.
तुम लोग बाहर एपिसोड क्यों देख रहे हो? हमारा घर जाके देखो.
घर जाके देखो.
नहीं अभी देख रहे हो तो देखते रहो.
हाँ, कंटिन्यू. हाँ.
Pineapple, cheese pizza, Tabasco sauce.
Tabasco.
No, that's a good combo. It's like sweet है, spicy है,
bro,
sour
it is-
भी है.
नहीं.
पर this claim of कि pineapple pizza पे
Belongs.
belong करता है, that is,
हाँ,
I'll
नहीं.
be like red flag. That
Yeah,
is,
I love it.
Italians will be like
No,
bye,
no,
bye, bye,
no, no,
bye.
I
Oh,
love
bye,
it.
bye, bye.
I love it. Pineapple and pizza go.
They do go well. I will agree. Good flavor combo,
Yeah.
but no, I don't
I
think.
can't
Side
do
ko
that
pasand
because of
hai.
my braces. हो गया, never mind.
Guys, I think we are at the end of our
Okay,
show.
last point. What do you guys think is the best thing to add on a pizza?
Chicken.
Oh damn, that's a
I feel tomatoes, cheese
bro.
and tomatoes.
No, that is the base of every pizza, bro.
Yeah.
Tomato sauce तो रहता ही
सॉस
है.
तो रहता ही है
नहीं,
बट
नहीं,
तेरे को
with
फिर भी
tomatoes.
उसके
tomato
ऊपर
चाहिए.
tomato
I
slices और
feel
cherry
tomato
tomatoes.
slices because I
Yeah.
don't know why with the cheese now and juicy tomatoes it feels
Nice.
Best thing to put on pizza. Any sort of meat for me is
No,
fine.
wait, chicken.
Sausage
Huh.
slices or bacon.
have pizza how it is meant to be.
Margarita.
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 Okay, last time did you guys eat with fork or knife?
Pizza.
Pizza.
हाँ,
No, we eat with hands.
knife.
नहीं मैं ऐसा डिपेंड
Oh.
करता है मैं कहाँ पर हूँ.
हाँ.
If I
I
wanna,
eat thin
if I
crust
wanna
pizza
feel,
with
if I wanna be all hoity-toity, I get a fork and knife just to
Huh.
like piss people off.
Yeah, if it's a pizza that I really love, I have it with a fork and a knife. But it's some like Domino's shit, then हाथ से खा के I
Fork
get
and a
rapid.
oh my
Wait,
god. मैंने
what?
life में
Yeah.
कभी.
If you love the pizza, you'll use a fork and knife.
Yeah,
What the?
yeah.
So
Huh?
you don't want to. Why don't you want
Because
to hold it
each
in
and
your
every
hand?
bite will take me long to process it properly.
You'll take smaller bites, but
no, I take proper bites, but वो हर एक bite को खाने को time लगता है. I enjoy my food. And
so you can hold it and take smaller bites also.
नहीं,
bro.
I just eat गुड़ गुड़ गुड़.
Good.
I should
पानी
have
पी
done
रहा है
that.
क्या?
Cool यार.
Cool, guys. I think I mean.
Great episode, huh? Varun?
Great episode.
Nice
Nice.
Fun episode. बहुत मजा आया. I
Shitty
think
episode this was.
shitty, टट्टी episode था. actually. Brown code brown episode था ये.
Yeah.
Maybe title of
Topic
the show.
end.
इसको टट्टी पसंद नहीं है.
Okay, main
Okay.
cams.
Guys, we might do this again soon.
Yeah.
Down
Yeah.
the line. But oh sorry, I was looking at the wrong camera. So
Huh.
look here. So we might do this very soon.
Yes.
But thank you for joining in, and if you're still here, we love
Hmm.
you guys, and we appreciate you guys being here. And
Hmm.
we'll see you in the next episode. We are the Analyst Show, and the boys are signing off.
Arigato.
Matane. Good night.